According to reports, Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Brutus hasn't adhered to the conditions of bail. He was granted bail on some 30 fraud charges stemming from his tenure in the Ghana Police Force.
Well, when he appeared in court on the 24th of October, we were led to believe that the court ordered he has to report to SOCU, right? The magistrate court, you got to report on a particular date. Let me read what it says. Assistant Commissioner Brutus, his wife, they said out they have granted bail by the Georgia Magistrate Court some 2 weeks ago have reportedly failed to adhere to the conditions of their release. On October the 24th, the trio appeared before acting chief magistrate, and had several charges related to fraud and money laundering read to them.
That was retired Assistant Commissioner of Police Paul Slow. Brutus, according to one of the conditions of bail, was to report to the Special Organized Crime Unit on the second Friday of every month.
And they have not reported. They have not reported. The second Friday for November passed, that would have been at the 8th, they did not report. And the question is, what action now is to be taken against Brutus, his wife, and his driver, who failed to comply to the condition of the bail?
Retired Assistant Police Commissioner Clinton Conway said that the prosecution must now act.
And I feel the prosecutor, when the case comes again, should move that the bail should be escheated, or some form of action taken. You can be flouting the court order. The court order is clear. The second Friday in each month, you gotta report to X two persons, and you haven't done so. This is total blatant disregard for the court order.
Slow holds the view that when Brutus returns to court on November 18, his breach of the conditions of bail will surface.
And what is likely to happen, because people have been asking me, Brutus is due to return to court on the 18th of this month, the 18th. And it is felt that when he returns them, the issue of him not adhering to the conditions of the bail will come up. And the lawyers and them can dance, and they're going to say, well, it's a misinterpretation.
He said that an ordinary person would have been arrested a long time ago.
They would have arrested that person, and the question of the bail being escheated would have been considered. In other words, the bail would have been forfeited. You cannot bail yourself. The person who bailed Brutus has a legal responsibility to ensure that he adheres to the condition of the bail, because if the bail is escheated, is the person who bailed money gone down the road.